I would like to discuss, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, about religion. Because I discussed many times what is a religion of Ibrahim, religion of Adam, religion of Jesus and Moses, Muhammad, etc. To the end, the result, people saying that there was no religion during the time of Adam, during the time of Moses, during the time of Abraham. There was no religion at that time. So I am obliged today to make a research and ask Mr. AI, what is religion for us to understand these people, what is the meaning of religion? So please, Cici, can you tell me the meaning of religion? Can you tell me, please?
Here's the meaning of the word religion. Religion is a system of beliefs and practices concerning what is considered sacred or spiritual. It provides a framework for morality, ethics, and understanding the world. Here are other related aspects of religion. Origin. Religion originates from various cultures and periods. Some theories suggest it stems from people's attempts to explain natural phenomena, their place in the world, or their relationship with supernatural forces. Elements. Beliefs. These are ideas and concepts accepted as truth. Rituals. These are ceremonies and activities performed to show belief and respect for sacred things. Morality. These are the principles and standards of behavior taught in religion. Community. This is the group of people who share the same beliefs and rituals. Development. Religion continually changes and evolves over time. New religions emerge, and existing religions adapt to changes in society and culture. Study. Religion is an important topic of study in various fields, such as anthropology, sociology, history, and theology. Importance. Personal. It provides meaning and purpose in life. Social. It reinforces morality and ethics in society. Cultural. It enriches culture and art. Branches. There are many different religions in the world, including Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, and others. Nuances. Religion can be a source of unity and peace, but it can also cause conflict and division. Related concepts: faith, spirituality, theology, mythology. Religion is a broad and complex topic with profound implications for people's lives and society.
So it's up to you, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, to accept the mentality of other people saying there was no religion during the early time. For us, religion, or in Arabic, deen, a way of life existing even prior to the creation of human being. There was a system already. And other terminology also, and other meaning of the word religion, worshiping God, a system, a way of life. So we Muslim believe even before Adam, there was already a religion, a way of life. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.